The Sun is the closest star to Earth and is an essential component of our solar system. It is a magnificent and mysterious entity that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. In this article, we will explore some of the most intriguing aspects of the Sun, including its structure, characteristics, and its impact on our planet. Structure of the Sun. The Sun is a massive, spherical ball of hot plasma, held together by its own gravity. It is composed mostly of hydrogen, about 74% by mass, and helium, about 24% by mass, with small amounts of other elements, such as oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. The Sun has several layers, including the core, radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. The core of the Sun is where nuclear fusion occurs, which is the process that produces the Sun's energy. In this process, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and heat. The radiative zone is the layer of the Sun where energy is transported outward by radiation. The convective zone is the layer where energy is transported by convection, which is the movement of hot plasma rising and cool plasma sinking. The photosphere is the visible surface of the Sun, and it has a temperature of about 5,500 degrees Celsius. It appears as a bright, yellow disk in the sky and is covered with sunspots, which are areas of magnetic activity that cause variations in the Sun's brightness. The chromosphere is the layer of the Sun above the photosphere, and it has a temperature of about 7,000 degrees Celsius. It is visible during solar eclipses as a red ring around the Sun. The corona is the outermost layer of the Sun, extending millions of kilometers into space. It has a temperature of about 1 million degrees Celsius and is visible during total solar eclipses. Characteristics of the Sun. The Sun has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, which is 109 times the diameter of Earth. It is also about 333,000 times more massive than Earth. The Sun's gravity is so strong that it keeps all the planets in our solar system in their orbits around it. The Sun rotates on its axis once every 27.3 days, but different parts of the Sun rotate at different speeds. This differential rotation causes the Sun's magnetic field to become twisted and distorted, which can lead to the formation of sunspots and solar flares. The Sun emits energy in the form of light and heat, which is essential for life on Earth. Without the Sun, life as we know it would not exist. The Sun's energy is also responsible for weather patterns on Earth, as well as for the formation of the ozone layer in our atmosphere, which protects us from harmful UV radiation. Impact of the Sun on Earth. The Sun's magnetic activity can have a significant impact on Earth's climate and technology. During periods of high solar activity, the Sun can produce solar flares and coronal mass ejections, which can send charged particles towards Earth. When these particles interact with Earth's magnetic field, they can cause geomagnetic storms, which can disrupt communication and navigation systems, as well as cause power outages. The Sun also plays a role in Earth's climate. Changes in the Sun's output can affect the amount of energy that reaches Earth, which can lead to changes in temperature and weather patterns. For example, during the Maunder Minimum, a period of low solar activity from 1645 to 1715, Europe experienced a little ice age, with colder and longer winters. The Sun is a magnificent and mysterious entity that has captivated human curiosity for centuries. Its structure, characteristics, and impact on Earth are essential to understand for scientific and practical reasons.